Ever been working in an app like File Explorer or Chrome and thought, I wish I could just open a second, completely separate window of this? Maybe to compare two folders side by side or keep your research separate from your social media. You try to just open it again from the start menu and nothing happens. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you three super simple ways to open multiple windows of the exact same app in Windows 11. Let's get into it. Well, with some applications, it is pretty straightforward. They support opening of multiple windows. For example, Notepad. If you want to open another Windows, just click on the shortcut again. You can do this several times with no problems. It is the same thing with most browsers like Firefox, Edge, Chrome, and so on. Even with applications like VLC, they do support this feature. Some apps like VLC Media Player let you open as many windows as you want. But apps like Adobe Reader? Nope. They just keep everything in one window. Why is that? It's actually super simple. VLC is designed as a multi-instance app. That means every time you open a new video, it can pop out into a brand new window. Great if you want to watch or compare videos side by side. Adobe Reader, on the other hand, is a single instance app. Instead of giving you separate windows, it puts all your PDFs into tabs inside one main window. This makes it lighter on your computer and easier for most people to manage. So really, it's not your computer stopping it. It's just how the app was built by the developers. Some apps choose multi-window, some don't. Running an app as a different user account in Windows can sometimes let you open another window, even if the app normally only allows one instance. So you can create another account. Some apps enforce single instance per user session. That means if you try to open another one, it just reuses the same window. But if you launch it as another user, Windows treats that as a completely separate session. Since it's isolated, the app doesn't see your first instance, so it happily opens a brand new window. If you just right-click on the shortcut, you will not see the Run as Different User unless you press the Shift key and then right-click. In short, yes, using Run as Different User can trick some single-instance apps into opening multiple windows, but not all apps, for example, Adobe. You can try this method anyway, it might work with your app. Using Sandboxie, or Sandboxie-Plus, is another smart way to run multiple windows of apps that normally don't allow it. This even allows you to run those complex games with no problems. Just download Sandboxie and install it. Sandboxie creates a virtual container for programs. When you run Adobe Reader, or any single-instance app, inside Sandboxie, Windows thinks it's running in its own isolated environment. That means you can run one instance normally on your PC and then a second instance in Sandboxie, both open at the same time, both working separately. You can create as many sandboxes and run as many windows as you want. Check the video in the description on how to use Sandboxie. So, no need for another user account. Sandboxed apps don't interfere with your main system. Another method you can install, say VMware or VirtualBox, Install an OS like Windows 11 and run apps there. Running apps VMware or VirtualBox is like taking the Sandboxie idea to the next level. VMware or VirtualBox will definitely let you run multiple windows of apps that don't normally allow it, but it's the most resource-hungry way. And that's it. Now you know several ways to open multiple windows of the same app in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more Windows tips, and share this with a friend who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.